Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious chocolate cake. First, let's gather all the ingredients we'll need. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. And yeah, you read all of that, there's lots of ingredients here. Preheat the oven to 315 degrees. Grease oil and flour a 9-inch round cake pan. And combine the flour, baking soda and all these ingredients together. Now step 4, in a separate bowl, grate together the butter and sugar. Beat in the eggs one at a time, then stir in the vanilla. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. And add the hot water and mix until everything is just combined. Pour the batter into the prepared pan and bake in the preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes. And let the cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes. Yep, and there you have it. A delicious chocolate cake. I hope you enjoy it and thanks for watching.